We also make homemade ice cream with this. Hey guys, I'm not going to tell you anymore. He's making a video. These two guys right here.
They're making a video.
Huh?
They're using it as a video camera.
Oh, okay, that's fine. That's fine. I thought you were playing games. Okay. We make homemade ice cream with this. You get all that non-fattening sugar and cream stirred up. While you're stirring, pour that in. In less than 1 minute, you're going to eat ice cream. Nice. The only way to describe this is that it's liquid air. Now guys, ready to have fun?
Having fun? Yeah.
How much oxygen did we say was in the air you're breathing right now? Okay. I'll bet your mommy doesn't even know that. Now, that's 100% of oxygen. Now this part of the program, I have to put my safety gear on.
Dude, now you don't like some stuff.
You boys and girls on the front row, look under your seats, get your hard hats on the floor. Even mommy looks.
Oh, come on.
Oh, Lord, go Lord.
I was about to
Tell you
make
what,
that hat swag. I felt
Plan
pretty.
B, sit tall. The rest of you does. Not so good. Now guys, let me give you a little tip. Listen up now. Liquids will not burn. There's not a liquid on this planet that'll burn. There's not a liquid in our solar system that'll burn. Gasoline does not burn. You ever smell gasoline?
Yes.
That's what burns the stuff you smell, those fumes, the vapors. You ever watch somebody gassing a car up and you can see the vapors coming out of the tank while they're doing it?
Yeah.
That's the dangerous part. Not the gasoline, but the vapors, the stuff you smell. That'll burn. Don't ever throw gasoline on a pile of anything and throw a match on it, because fumes can come back and get you along the ground. And I've had to cut, as a paramedic, I've had to cut socks off people and had skin go off with it. Very dangerous. Don't ever do that. Okay? And don't even let your dad or mom do that unless they stand up when.
Mommy.
Okay? Now, liquid won't burn. We're going to drink liquid off this. Now, this won't burn anyway because it's oxygen.
Yeah, already did it.
See if I can get this thing out of here. Yeah, it's going to make it. This is 300 degrees below zero. It is liquid. It is not wet. Did you do that? He's going to do that again. Get your hands back. He did it. Now, what you can't really see, there is no wet spot there. That carpet is not wet. It's frozen. Right there.
You can do it on
Now, you remember that cotton ball? Sit down now. You remember the cotton ball, how fast it burned?
Yeah.
21% of oxygen. Yeah. This is 100% of oxygen. You think it might burn faster?
Yes.
Okay. We're going to get some of this drained off here a little bit and find out. Now, when I start the countdown, I want you guys to count down with me. Okay, now sit down, guys. You'll see it. And it's not going to be loud, so you don't have to hold your ears. Maybe. If it's loud, it's because I'm screaming. There we go. Now, count down when I start.
5, 3, 2,
5,
4,